Welcome back to Victory Sessions with Barry Bueler. Session 2, how to have victory over animal attacks. Sometimes after you tame a bully kitty cat, some people was like, what if a T-Rex comes up to you in the middle of the woods or a bear? Well, I'll tell you what you do. I'm not here in the woods. Bring it on, T-Rex. Mushroom cloud. You want some too, Pooh Bear? The bare necessity. What if you have them both at the same time? Call for backup. The blue 42. Blue 42! And that's how you have victory over vicious animal attacks.